Seriously, this thing right here, this was all done as pretty much a joke. So Joel Telling on his TikToks, he showed this one and he said he was going to print it bigger. We had the filament laying around. We had the printer that could do it. We went 450% on this thing. I'll put all the links in the details as far as where you can find the model. It's an amazing model. You do have to glue 1 foot in. Might even have to put a little sandpaper something. We didn't have to on this one. We did have a few little failures along the way, but the other thing is when you size everything up, you lose the tolerances as well. What are we doing with our lives?
Okay, that's enough.
So this was printed using GST 3D for the main body. Both the arms and the legs were printed in AMZ 3D filament. Gold silk on this one, and this was the transparent purple. And it was also printed on the Artillery 3D Sidewinder X2. But guys, thank you very much for watching. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one.
Don't make me take that toy away from you, son.